Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make paper doll with the paper. For this activity you need 4 different color pastel sheet, scissor and glue. First take square paper, now fold in half. Again half fold. Now fold the right tips. Do the same in the left side. Now from the lower take half paper and fold it. Then turn it, do the same. Now from the cut pieces take another small square piece paper and make triangle. Now join this triangle in the back side of this big triangle. Now paste here, head, hand, draw eyes and lips. Nose, smiley. Paste heart for the decoration. You can paste another things also. My paper doll is ready. You can decorate it to your home. Thank you.